here. Stay put for me. Oh, you've got to be kidding.
That's too full. It's spilling out.
Taking it.
Oh, man, now it's everywhere.
All right, set.
Hey, watch the cart. Whoa, too close. Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Back down. Clean it up. Get this back.
Oh, break. Oh.
Ah, too heavy. Whoa! Ugh, smells terrible. There, back you go. All right, let's get moving. Oh, no. Shoot, watch the corner. Ah! Whoa, break! Oh, no. All right, back in place. Whoa! Oh, no. Oh, that can't be good.
Oh, man. All right, back in place. Whoa, hey, watch the can. Hey. Oh, no.
Come on.
Yep, that's going everywhere. Who loads it like this?
All right, let's move. Whoa, hey, what the? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, great. What a mess. All right, let's fix that. And we're good. Oh, come on.
Up you go.
Oh, no.
Hang on, I'll set it back down.
Too fast. Oh, watch the... Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Man, that's a mess. Easy. Whoa, no.
What the? Fire! Gotta get out!
Good evening. We're live in North Canyon where a garbage truck burst into flames this afternoon after a load of improperly discarded car and
Seriously. Hold still. There we go.
No, come on. Right there.
Great. All right, back where you belong. Let's get out of here. Ah, shoot! I just put that back. Turn in. Whoa, great. Got it. bringing it down. Turn it over the can. Hey, guess I'm cleaning that up. Let's set you back where you belong.
Hey, watch the wheel! Whoa! Oh, come on!
Oh, come on. Hold on, let's set it back down. Got it. All right, we're good. Ah, come on. That didn't look right. Let's fix it. There we go, back in place.
Come on, not again. Gotta fix this.
Whoa, fire! Come on, come on. Truck's on fire! Everybody back! Oh, man.
What the fire?
Get out!
What the? Smoke?
Oh, no.
Fire! Get out! Get out!
Oh, come on. Hang on, hang on.
You got it?
Try to! Watch yourself. You're both stuck. Oh, there it goes. We'll clean it. Grab that side.
Got it.
What a mess.
Shoot, that's not good. Hold on, I'll get it.
Come on, no, no.
Oh, now it's on the ground.
I'll grab the broom. Let's clean it up fast.
Sorry about this, folks.
Shovel coming
Got the
in.
last bit.
Uh-oh, whoa! That's not good. Hang on, I'm gonna run it from outside. No, no, no! Oh! There it goes. Yikes! Sorry, guys, let's grab it. Sorry, guys, I'll get the bin. I'll scoop you. Smoke! Gotta get out! Come on, come on! Move! Fire! Back up! Oh, no! Whoa!
All right, set it down. There we go. Copy. Hold up. Whoa, whoa. Stop. Throw the can back. No, 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 no.
Ah, no, come on. There we go, stay put. You gotta be kidding me.
Oh no! Set it down. Easy. All right, back in place. Let's go. Oh, hey! Curve! Break! Try it! Oh, that's the one! Whoa! Easy. Come on. All right, let's set it down. Let's fix this. Line it up. There we go. Shoot! Whoa! Come on! That's too much! Got it! Back it up! All right! Hey, what's the cat? Stop! Great!
Whoa! Come on.
Dumpster slams down, middle plank.
All right, easy. Back in place. Dispatch, this is Route 9. Got a spill of Valley Court hopper jammed up and dumped early. I'll clean it and move on.
Easy. Hold still, big guy. All right, let's clean this up. That should do it. Back on the route.
All right, back where it belongs. Nice and square.
Oh, there it goes. Yeah, she's jammed. Hold on. All right, easy. Back in place. Guess we're cleaning up this one by hand.
No, spilling. Hold it.
I can't hold it, it's too full.
Great, another mountain. All right, set it down. I'll fix it. You're good to go. Rolling. Watch the can. Turning right.
Oh, great.
Oh no, something's coming apart. Hold on, you got to fix it.
Dang it, stay put.
Oh, but come on, I got it. Careful. Hey. Uh-oh, brakes.
Oh, it's spilling. Oh, that's a mess. I'll set it back down. Got it. Okay, it's good. Pulling out.
Wait, hey, the cat.
Oops, brakes.
Come on. Come on, man. I'll fix it. All right, back on track. Whoa, brake. Hold on. Come on. Seriously? Stay put.
Come on, what a mess. There, stay put.
All set? Rolling out. Watch the...
Whoa, brakes! Whoa, easy. It's overstuffed. I'll straighten it. Easy there.
Back where you belong.
Easy. All right, I'll put it back. Copy that. I'll stay.
Oh, come on. Slow down, slow down. Guess I'm cleaning this one up. All right, back on the route.
Hey, the ratchet, Marcus.
Got it.
Thanks. Oil drain's loose. Get ready.
Plug's coming off, and there she goes. Filter's prepped.
Hear that siren?
Probably passing through.
Negative. How about all of you step away from the truck?
Officer?
What's this about?
Hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Are you a gorilla? You got sharp eyes. Cuffs, please.
Whoa, no. That's too much. Ah, come on. Deliveries everywhere. All right, back you go. Oh, man. Fire. Gotta get out. Out.
Tonight, a garbage truck goes up in flames after improperly disposed batteries ignite inside the hopper.
You gotta be kidding me, it's everywhere.
Yeah, it slipped off the lip. I couldn't catch it.
I'll set the can back. We need a cleanup kit out here. No. Oh, come on. Great. Guess I'm mopping this up.
Ah, that's a mess. All right, let's get you back up here. I'll grab the rest later.
No.
That's not good.
All right back there?
Yeah, just a little overflow. I'll get it.
Come on, buddy. Let's tidy this up. Ah, come on. That's a mess. Yeah, hang tight. I'll get it. Ah, come on. What a mess. Oh, watch it. There it goes. Yep, we'll have to sweep this. I'll set the cart back. I'll grab a broom. That's a mess. Yeah, real nice way to start the day.
Ah, that's too much. It's spilling. What a mess. We'll have to sweep all that up.
Ah, come on. Too full. Yikes. That's gonna need a sweep. I'll set it back. We'll deal with it.
Come on. What a mess. All right, let's get you back in place.
Bring it up slow. Dumping now. Whoa, that's back. Oh, boy, look at it pour out. All right, set it back. Easy, easy. All right, good. Let's roll. Watch that corner. Hey. Whoa, come on.
Come on, that's way too much. Hold it, let me get this back down. All right, back where you belong.
Turning right.
Watch the...
Brace yourself.
Easy does it. Ooh. Oh, no. Are you kidding me?
Come on, not again. Easy. Hold still. All right, back you go. Get out of here. Whoa, curve. Uh-oh, no. Ah! You gotta be kidding me.
Copy that.
Enjoy the horn show.
Come on. All right. Watch the corner. Great. Oh, no. You gotta be kidding me.
Look at that thing. It's a garbage truck on rails.
Give us a horn show.
Whoa, that's loud! Try cadence, driver. Yes! Love it!
Give another one.
You got it.
Ah, come on. There you go. Whoa, brake. You gotta be kidding me. What a mess.
Oh, come on. What a mess. All right, back you go. Whoa, no. You gotta be kidding me.
Come on, not again. All right, back in place.
Oh, no.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. All right, back where you belong.
Whoa! Brakes! Oh, no. No. Crap, it's spilling out. Hang on, I'll fix the bin. All right, set. Good. Rolling out. Wait. Oh, brakes! Oh, no. You gotta be kidding me. You'll spill it. Step back. Oh, come on, that's way too full. Great, I'll clean it up. Break. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, great. Oh, no. The whole truck's in pieces. Dispatch, we need help now.
Ah, come on, hold it. Whoa! Ah, that's everywhere. Great, real nice.
Braking! Whoa. The whole rig's coming apart. Kill the engine. Fuel spilling. Shut it down.
Come on, nasty. All right, back where you belong. Hold up. Hey! No, not again.
Turning right.
Breaking one. Are you kidding me? The whole truck's in pieces, and that's fuel? Great.
Oh, no. Dang it. All right, easy. Careful. Hey, watch it. Oh, come on, stop. Oh, that's bad.
All right, coming up. Oh no, that's too full. Rain everywhere. Okay, let's set it back down. Easy. Good. Stay there. All right, we're out of. Whoa! Oh, come on.
Whoa, too much. Hold on. Clang.
Ah, great. That's just great. All right, come here. Back in you go. There. Clear.
Too much in there. Let's get you back. All right, good enough.
Whoa. Ah, come on. That's a mess. Easy. There we go. Ah, seriously? Great. Just great.
That's too full. Let's get you back in here. Sorry, folks. Thank God you guys got here.
Knocked down. Stay back.
That's too much. Set it down. Okay. What a mess. Guess we're cleaning this up the hard way.
Oh, there he goes. Nice. That's a lot. Okay, get you back down.
All right.
Come on. That's too much. Gotta love Mondays, man. Now I'll clean it up. Just give me a sec.
Oh, that's a mess. Always when it's packed to the brim. Get back where you belong. We'll clean up the rest on the next run.
Missed it all.
You need a hand?
Yeah, I'll clean it up. Hang on. Guess we're gonna be here a minute.
Come on, that's way overfilled.
Mind lowering it, I'll set it back.
You're good, bringing it down.
What a mess. I'll grab the broom after.
Yeah, I'll park and help you clean it.
Back to the brim. Hold on. Yeah, it's a mess. We'll clean it up. No problem. Ah, come on. Whoa. That's too much. Ah, look at this. All right, let's set you back down. What a mess.
Thanks, ladder. That's not where we're supposed to go. All right, back in place. Try to keep the rest of the street clean.
Fucks keep cramming these things. Makes a mess every time.
Ah, come on. It slipped.
Yeah, I can see that. Look at this mess. I'll grab the broom after the next stop. More than a broom, man.
Ah, come on. There it goes. Yep, that's too much. Watch it.
I see it. Can't catch it now.
All right, bring it down slow. We'll have to sweep all this up.
My bad. I'll grab the broom.